Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch for out for it. Make sure you actually subscribe if you've not, and also follow us on Telegram. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's see what GBP USD will actually be doing for us. We play out this week. But before I actually get started, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, use the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. So there we'll be putting out high probability trade, especially if you're having trouble growing up your account, you are the type that are actually blowing up your account. You can subscribe to our Patreon channel. It is simple. Go to the comment section, click on the link you will see, which is to our Patreon channel, subscribe. So these are some of those trades we actually took last week. You'll see it July 3 to 7. I'll be putting a playlist to some of those trades you actually took last week. You can see back to back, it was a hit. You can come here to watch it and confirm, by the way. So, wonderful trade we actually took last week. This week, we'll be doing more wonderful trade. So, like I said, if you're interested, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at GBP USD. We clearly can see in the long run, GBP USD is literally a bullish move, right? Let me see something like this. GBPUSD has been giving us an uptrend move. Right now, if you take a look at this movement, it is at a key level right now, which is, probably would be expecting a fall. Reason is that we've gotten one rejection here before. Price dropped. Then eventually GBPUSD came to this same level. We had a level which price rejected. Now price is back at this level, and I can show you that GBPUSD will literally drop. Now, would it drop to this low level? I can't really tell, right? I can't really tell. But one thing I know is that GBPUSD should actually at least drop to this same level. So on Monday, once market opens, be looking for a sell, not a buy. We should actually see GBPUSD drop. Then we'll see if it will drop to this low or it will start going bullish. We will cover it. But because DXY or USD index here is our factor, let's take a look at what this our USD index will likely do. So let's take a look at it on this 1 hour time frame. At first, this our DXY, which is our USD index, was literally on a downtrend move, right? It was trading below this trend line. Then eventually it broke above it. Then it came to this key level here. You can see this key level. You can see price literally reacted at the same level. Then we had a reaction at this same level, right? The price came to the same level and gave us a double top. We all know that once we have a double top, then of course it is a bearish move. Expect a fall, right? Assuming it was a double bottom, then you expect a buy. But since it is a double top, then expect a sell. And now when you take a look at this sell, this was a massive drop to the downside, right? Of course, once there is a massive drop like this, it does not make sense for you to go ahead and start selling, right? You will definitely lose. So, and not a lot of traders will start selling. That is what a lot of traders will start doing. I'm sure many of you would be looking at it like that. Do not start selling. Look for a correction, because I think this correction will come out well to take out some traders stop loss or a lot of traders that will start selling. So wait for a correction before you go ahead and continue to sell. Though this is a bearish move, we should look for a setup to sell, but first a pullback needs to play out. You can't just go ahead and sell on this DXY, right? So once this pullback plays out, which will be bullish, then expect a drop on GBP USD. You can see at first GBP USD is at a key level, right? Which kind of like a reversal zone. One, it is at a key level. Two, so we'll be expecting a drop on GBP USD. Now this USD index now confirms that movement. So once this USD index give us a bullish move, then expect a drop on GBP USD. So I would love to take a sell from here to this level. That should be giving me about 92 pips. Wonderful pips, right? About probably if you can grab 90 pips on this move alone, that is very, very wonderful. So we would be expecting a drop. So we did drop more, though we are going to do more. Let the price play out. We are going to give an update, by the way. So it just depends. Like I've said, if you're interested in trading GBP USD, you can subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. So we are going to do more. And there's one-on-one support. So if in case there's personal trade you want to trade, you can actually share it, and we will actually give analysis and a suggestion. So the link will be in the comment section to our Patreon channel.